Precisely so. Tell them, pound for pound, oh Hine. Welcome to the United States, Nana Pia. For the records, for the people, precisely so. Tell them, who speaks the truth, for the records, who fights for Ghana, for the people. For the records is where truth is fired like a straight shot, not left, not right, for the people, for Ghana. The records, precisely so. Tell them, pound for pound, oh Hine. Welcome to the United States, Nana Pia. For the records, for the people, precisely so. Tell them, who speaks the truth, for the records, who fights for Ghana, for the people. For the records is where truth is fired like a straight shot, not left, not right, for the people, for Ghana. We will not be silenced, cancelled or erased. We are the reckoning, are the reckoning, the records, precisely so. Tell them, pound for pound, oh Hine. Welcome to the United States, Nana Pia. For the records, for the people, precisely so. Tell them, who speaks the truth, for the records, who fights for Ghana, for the people. For the records is where truth is fired like a straight shot, not left, not right, for the people, for Ghana. We will not be silenced, cancelled or erased. We are the reckoning, the records, precisely so. Tell them, pound for pound, oh Hine. Welcome to the United States, Nana Pia. For the records, for the people, precisely so. Tell them, who speaks the truth, for the records, who fights for Ghana, for the people. For the records is where truth is fired like a straight shot, not left, not right, for the people, for Ghana. We will not be silenced, cancelled or erased.
me. Sama mu kwaje ti say ya metua kasai. Eradi yes was same tinabia. Wa ma metina bra fufu.
Snabio.
Nabia DJ wo. Nabia Afutuo.
Yesterday.
Sebe mu dia wa ya mami ya boni aya for the. Sebe mu kwaje ti say ya metua kasai. Oba no asha me ni ko ni why. What's this sound night eh? Sebe mu dia wa ya. Okay. Nana Kwabena Ojam Andy. Okay, thank you. Ayadago Musif. Thank you, brother, for joining us. Evangelist Kingsley Ofori. I say hi, my dear brother. Hi, Kingsley. Evangelist, what's that? Okay. You movie. Don't cut coma. Okay, Osagoto, what's that? Nia mosu osunu kokrupo nia mo sebewuru dia wa ya mamiya oba no ashe arise testimony. Okay, Charles Ewuku Manterson, and I'm watching you live from Tadia and Akufi Siao. Move with me, so just move with me, your movie. Where says loud and clear Achimota Cemetery. I talk with you. Where are the cemetery? Isa Jesus, okay. James Pawusi, more fire. James, also more fire. Ohinaire Mesfield, Papa B, Osinanapia, Abiski, okay. Hello, champion. Moba Akim Omar, Mehu. Asari Patrick was a film. Okwasa received from Morocco.
Yesterday.
Samson Kwame Jame. Hi. Okay, hi brother. How are you? Sababu Badiati say ya Bechia Kasei. Friend Paul, I say open more fire. Okay. Papa Kwadwo Yebua Asuyama. My papa. Okay. Amire. Nanama, I'll say the man himself more fire. Nanama, I do friend Paul fire them. I do your movie. Wama metina be Afufro.
Snabio.
Me baba our house Faruku. Me baba me Yeshu. Me baba our house Faruku friend me. Memfa. Sebe dia wa ya mami ya boni aya for the bank. Oh, Baba, what is it? Me wo oda obi ati o mi yesu ad ma fro wate. We are my fro. Okay, so me papa our have Farouk. Very intelligent man. And I've been in the more bill. Okay, so and you may my soldier for now Babato for the end. Maxwell Skele Labi, Patrick Banflex. Hey, Patrick, Jack, now say I'm in your power London. Good. Also listening to you live from Takwa. I know your host nation. Frimpong Emmanuel in a more fire, expose them. No insult here, of course. I'm working. We don't do insult, we do intellectual analysis. We do issue-based program. Be money beyond the theatrics, beyond the propaganda. We are opening your eyes to another level. So that is exactly what we do. Agwasibog as a man of the moment. Okay, Kwasi, thank you. Prince Frimpong Emmanuel, thank you. It's me Odeneho or say Kufo, say tell them. Me just want to general Kufimo. .com Ghana or say PR.com. One of my soldiers, very loyal soldiers. Thank you very much. .com Ghana. You are supporting me. I appreciate. Me wafa say Kwame. You wabeto where there be? Watching you. Okay, the fire is loud. And here Samuel Bernard. Adams Isaka, keep up the good work. Okay, Adams, thank you. Mobile mon share in term ni yankona and then Jumedi no teta. We are going to do a lot of expose. Man for not maybe a air cost was say beyond the propaganda, beyond the pump and pageantry, we are going to let you understand the governance that is going on. Forget the inflation, forget everything, because I mean, forget a year, dollar, a year 1p. Ye injected a nioma, a year life support so. Emma dollar ne shows why you're strong. But underneath the dollar, no, me pese me chiro de ekoso. Forget the fact that yabo minister 60. Me pese me chiro de ekoso. Ye bese di nkomo afa a year Women's Bank away uti region nkomo a ekoso 24-hour economy. Ye say car shortage. They say there petrol na ba form. Petrol na man drivers need to me to. Na car manfo ne betena mu nso ebi ni ho. Eno nso ibebusa se adan na petrol aba fomo na nso car manfo ne betena ebi ni ho. Ose owusu nkwantabisa wodi ade ose watching you from Agona your hometown. Ose owusu Agona my hometown ne wampa na manage Agona wiamuase mechiamo ukoduru Agona minuano bebre wo ho owuso mechiamo sa abre ukoduru Agona dia otompo ne nkrofo free jamase bejomo ni besma ka ho Kwaku dua wo munyina eka ho chairman part anyas wo munyina Agona saa so na eye wayi agemai deputy youth organizer waka ho na yabomo wia muase yeduru wia muase nso a you can say anti edu ne nkrofo wo munyina ewo ho ansa na bipua yebetwam bipua ansa na yakọ bipua nso kodu ho a eho na eye former women's organizer no comfort owo na comfort ne yemienu eye ayi comfort de wo no ye assembly woman no wo ho dako a ansa na comfort former women's organizer ono nso aba na eye Bismarck ono ye coordinator ewo ho Frank James nso eye coordinator ewo eye bipua ansa ni abesina twemu akojamase eno duru a asma solo ne nkrofo solo ye chairman kwakwa ne nkrofo na adwumo ye coordinator wo eye jamase na adwumo mechia wo nwumre ye besini twam ne adurura eye kuna no beduru ho na eye oheneba eye akwaboa wo ho ne bafo wo munyina ye coordinators mechia mo anwumre na tanodumase so na ene frempon mechia mo na ye kobed mase a ufori amanfo ene ne nkrofo ufori mechia mo Kennedy mo so mechia wo agen ene ne nkrofo nso wo eye wo munyina coordinators na Samson Nyako nso mechia wo ono so ye coordinator ewo ho ye ko eye bepo asen so a twenebo akodua tike sabre mechia ho tsai bibia abokode na abduru asaman a me nkrofo bebre ewo ho omudo so bebre sabre no me bo na mamo ebi ne manya asem o edire do so bitimi nkai nyina na Alhaji Hashim ene Alhaji Ahmed ono ye Nasara coordinator munyina mechia mo one makaja ne di asembebo o asujahwe eti ye nante now ene ye bedi nkomo akọ eye baby o say let's go hopeful thank you let's go ene ye behwe eye mampon MC obi mo mampon MC se ne ho asem aba bedi ha ye bebusa questions about the governance ekoso edi enti na wo bu amemu sa Ora Felix Ofosu-Kwakye a oye member of parliament and government spokesperson enso edi nsembi aba betudwa ye bedi nkomo Kwame Boakye ya do se Agona nyame tiase nokure Agona nyame otiase da bia Agona nyame no wotiase da bia eti mamoma bibia hamo sade America ne ye bedi nkomo akọ eye mampon ye friwa Felix Ofosu-Kwakye edi nsembi tudwa ye be koni akọ akotutum amu ahunu etro a ye twa uye no friwa United States of America edi eye ban ato eye immigrant visa so na enra ngroboti kada ji wabo onim the difference between immigrant visa and norm eradi nyame because enra mature say eduru ho a me say world cup no ashe so ye the ban ato immigrant visa so no nim difference enipa matena professor Lulu Ferrante class enya A- wo immigration law minim immigration law wona anim with American immigration law on chair me yate yento aso many time for monkwase asem ni munzi mu no. Now President Kufuor etene ba bidin enema no bebre wo ho a etwam Yamagin said, I won't pay attention to the nonsense being done by Amatela Ebio. But that is not to say we are going to give him a leeway. Say, Obechantro ato enipa o mabo brachen nesen. Ene na busu afo nyina eso. Amatela de entrobia to former President Kufuor so efa chairman Stephen Intim. And then mene former President Kufuor Edin Komo. So I have his permission. Say Sound Komono, I will set the record straight about Sound Komono. Sound Komono. But before that, Jabia said no. Mama public announcement. Now public announcement di kai and say see I said dollar a kosro. Dollar no bono. Dollar no say dollar no why de seed na a week. Nemom dollar no why de seed na a week ya. Ye kwahwe ye no wuyi wani free propaganda no so na aka say wo kohwe BOG report na aka say mu a. BOG report for 2025. It shows that there is a significant reduction in a credit flow. Now ye ka credit flow no a Emmanuel bebre enye hu de credit flow chira ne say amanfo ebobosia free bank adidi dwa no omo sade sika koto ma bank ne ne ye ade no say according to Air Bank of Ghana latest report no chira say the first 10 months of 2025 no credit flow are now in 2024 20.952 billion Ghana cedi reduce aba 8.86 billion. That is about 142% reduction. As it chire nyina ne say, said the bank for no ebodo market for ma no ebosia. Ema womo etimi edidigwa no. In 2024, banks ne bobosia to the tune of 20.95 billion. Nemo unfortunately, yes dollar no aye den sidi na ye no. Banks ne antimi amobosia. Banks ne bosia omo boy ma manfo editre wo mo dwumadie mu nyina no eye 8.626 billion. So that is a collapse of over 12 billion in credit flow just in 1 year. Tienye na credit flow no ehu hia. Credit flow no eye the lifeblood of the economy. Economy ni se beye yo, se enye yo, se be kosuro, se enkosuro. Eye credit flow no na ehia. If it's a credit flow no na business jina wo na so. Banks ne bo business. Banks ne bo household bosia. Eno na mo mutimi de etre wo machine. Na Akufo ado penso yesi ba ayi dollar no enye. And so 2024 banks ne bo manfo bosia wo de tre wo madwuma businesses expanding here 20 billion. Ene dollar no aye investor confidence aba. Ye Jesus Christ aba. Ye hunu bi da. Nanso credit no a collapse banks mo be say banks no enye aban no oteso ni say ne figures na wo de maka kire mo say enye de aban ne wo pin ne hia. Sa wo betia mamuo no ase ne hia. Eti enye me na make Bank of Ghana no report ana odi aba say in the year 2025 credit flow no that is softer credit expansion to the private sector no reduce. In simple terms, banks are playing it safe. In simple terms, banks and person bebobo because omonye aban no eni. Eti banks and bosia na ye bono. And no more business in grow. Business, SME, small scale enterprises, traders, manufacturers. Wamuntimi nya adwuma, ebize wamunya bosia mpompa nya adwuma. Na aban papa ba. Aban fun say na yema bre, let's give time some time. If you say man for koso mo gudomi market for mano, kantamanto for mano, makola for mano, wo mo koso mo kopebosia, wo mo nya bi. Enti unemployment rate no kosoro. na mabre give time some time. Ronnie Thompson say you are very empty. Ronnie nyahwe when you empty no amesero ma mefa nkyere mamfo no asesa wate. Ronnie wa ye deep no kubie bi na. We nya banking issue. Me ka asema chiro pain. Tienie. Government na de na wo ye no. Ye fake. Dollar na ye woni pin ye fake. Enya no kore. Eno nti na ye banks no entimi emma bosia no. So 142% of a year bank credit flow collapse. That is a red flag. It shows economy a enyina ne nanso. Tienie. Emo obi ama meda down tumfuturu mwani. Na yanko a year announcement number 2. We dey mesere mu a mo obi a medi matem. Announcement number 2 no yeti kurom ha. Ohwe ahaya on the 11th of March, aka 2 months pepepe na ura ato forcing ato awo force ekoka kire ye se na yadawroma wo ba bebie women's bank na women's bank no na ehye omo manifesto na women's bank no o de sen ne bebie a enam so omo ya atrofo na omo nka no kurenti no okogina parliament yentie atofose mind you 11th March 2025 which is exactly 2 months and was the year 2025 no omo bebie women's bank yentie yewura ato forcing ato awo force yentie no.
We have also allocated 1.3 million Ghana cedis as seed fund for the establishment of the women's. Right, Honorable Speaker, we have also allocated 51.3 million Ghana cedis as seed fund for the establishment of the Women's Development Bank. Mr. Speaker, we have also allocated 300 million Ghana cedis to the National Apprenticeship Program. Mr. Speaker, I repeat, we have also allocated an amount.
Ato awo force wadama papa. They say Women's Bank and the bene beba. If se me no ka say Bank of Ghana ne Women's Bank 51 million na ka se obeye no. Bank of Ghana ese se opese obi bank wo Ghana. The minimum capital requirement are we here. 400 million. Nenam se atoro ahwe omo kra mu ma. Na omonim se manfo ni nsua de manfo ni nredi. Etie twa manfo ni tronti no. Okobo 51 million wa bere onim se 51 million ebie banka enye ye. Now shortly after ohun se wagu fi no. Ana okopie mu wo City FM okokyerechirem akamu ye asempa nso de tie. Okodru City FM mum and workers say, government allocated 410 million. Aye abaya aye frakadam aye killnet abay. 1 year down the lane, almost 1 year. Women Bank ni sesihio. Ye hunu baby e wo. Na minim say ye 51 million etimi bie bank. Ewa abra the real figure of aye capital requirement aye here. Ye di enu bie bank near 400 million. Eti na ese ohunu se aban no eye atro eye nkontompo aban me ka na mudi matem me atemdidie no ensesa hwe ese se monimia ewiase nipa nyina ekọ right na me hwe din na me busa mo se ade no mo nyina ekọ right ese me call left na me ye setting in my mind se me call left a bibia no we betimi asesa now mudi matem nyina na me ekire mo ade mu behunu nso. If say abino omun kano kore propaganda ne content creating ye wo de chance wo mo beye adwuma. Abino propaganda content creating eye wo mo de chance wo mo beye adwuma. It is ye busa the pertinent questions, the real issues beyond eye santro na omu twa kire mo no. Esi ye busa the real issues. Eti obufu wa ho. So obufu se me busa the real issues ubufu wa ho Wadaroma, and I'm a busa question. Oti region for etu abama yera John Dramani Mahama. Oti region for tu abama yera John Dramani Mahama no. Oti region for most of the asem.
Bonatim pro na wabano. Okay. Fasia, okay. Wow. Bra. Wow. You from kwano no. From 50 to. Aha. MPP winning seat da. NDC na winning seat. Ewa ha. NDC nema ehia party mu bia bra. E da mamo. E mamo president. E mamo minister. Ya sa mamo MP. E di MC aka ho. Mu twende. She from 50 pe. A blue campaign tama. NDC for mo target na kro. Sana MPP for mo target. She from 50. She the car bre. Bra. What is it? Bra. Yeah. Anado, I dam na to no. Mahama wa ba church ende. Mumbra koga. Don't fit MPP form target na ha. NDC for a group party campaign time. Ntokwa ya kuma NDC no. Na hwe from 50. Ya da enwa hwebronyasi, hwenkwanta, hwepasa, bra chere na ya mu. Hweka se sio, fasika no so, hweka se isi pro. Ni nya mu nyina se. Bra koga. Just stop. I want power. Just stop. Untiklo. Amon for Tedrani. E o pro. Na nsa fuwe afoto pro.
Yo, catch here, Wadalma. Catch Wadalma. It's way Wadalma, Oti region for Nesemenka Yera John Dramani Mahama. Say, Yera John, one to a bamau. We don't camp on it. Or to a bamau, and tis or to a bamau, dear. Almost said a while, woman so a year a quine. It's way a public announcement. Women camp on it, Menyari, way a public announcement, keke. Why? Yera John Dramani Mahama buying. Aha, anti. Wubufua, we NDC ni na bufu na church on kwasi asemwa. Eyo wana abuafu ho. Wana abuafu na ede ne yesi Ghana. Yese no petrol no aba fom. Nanso still no yenya cars ni bi efa entu kwan. Adai ede asemwa. Ede na si Aden yenya petrol ni bi say no okay so one before say be call no MCE for Mampong tienie MCE for Mampong we are closely watching you me ba be di san komo no but before say ma be di komo no samejan fi ade asemwa
24-hour economy no hyehyɛ ya John Mahama ni NDC adwe hu yi akwa akiri.
Nokure.
Say ya de ba na abeboa me ya kriti enwuma pa.
Nokure. Okay.
Enwuma pa nya adwuma keke enwuma pa.
Nokure.
Ama Ghana fo mu ni adwuma titiriw.
Mpa.
Anything you 24-hour economy and I just say adwuma pa. 24-hour economy adwuma pa. It's about decent, well-paying, sustainable jobs. John Mahama said, "Dear na ye." Yebema passport office aye adwuma 24/7 no break. Yebema DVL aye adwuma 24/7 the same for post. Inti ya titi beko adwuma no pa no wotwe 8 hours ebebo no 9 enwumere no wa. Na Captain Smart akọ no 9 akosi 12 am 8 hours. Captain Smart airport na Sami Jemfiko 12 am ebisi anopa 8 am. Okay. Enti se we nya adwuma anopa mane ha because na do betima nya adwuma. We nya adwuma anwumra mane ha because ahomache betima nya adwuma. That is what happens abroad.
Okay.
Enti all these state institutions me dem yansape na yen fantu hu. Omo nya adwuma 24/7 no. Say and then one shift 8 hours no mo yen so mo adwuma 400,000. Omo the two shifts kan ho adwuma for no enkoso.
Ebekoso times 3.
Same yada se. Same yabi 24-hour economy no almost say abaso. So we say times 3. 81 job, 3 shifts. Yes sir. Now if you the one job 3 shift aba. Na atrotro drivers GPRT for. Woman so say ampaniam pa tienie. But before say about atrotro drivers in the GPRT for so no. Angosi brat. Wona aboa me ye campaign ma eye NDC for. Na omuwa ban mu ene womuwa opposition ene omuwa ban mu no. Angosi brat 24-hour economy oti asese.
Electioneering period. What Ghanaians understood to be 24-hour economy was simply that we'll be working around the clock.
Yes.
Nothing more.
Yes.
After the election, the perspective appears to be changing to something else.
Hey, I'm going to
that's problematic.
That's true. That's true.
So we need to know
yes,
during the electioneering period, what Ghanaians understood to be 24-hour economy was simply that we'll be working around the clock.
Yes.
Eti enyame nkwana me notice say aban we ye atro aban. Enyame nkwana me notice say aban we de omuka na opposition bia no. Wo mu twatro a kire manfo no. Now even their own Kwesi Pratt aneba, mind you. Uncle Kwesi Pratt eba eye adwuma wo office of the vice president. Ama Pratt. Eti Uncle Kwesi Pratt say de we muka no wo opposition no. Wamunu so omo bae no omo down womano. It is a make at the chain na make na wunyi nia. Wo de Kwesi Pratt beka bi. Angozi bacho wadaroma yensen chi obi why?
Was simply that we'll be working around the clock.
Yes.
During the electioneering period, what Ghanaians understood to be 24-hour economy was simply that we'll be working around the clock.
Yes.
Nothing more.
Yes.
After the election, the perspective appears to be changing to something else. Yeah. And that's problematic.
That's true. That's true.
So we need to know really what the 24-hour economy should mean. We knew what it meant. What it meant was that people would work.
Yes.
There'll be
That was the narrative. Yes.
So
Yes.
Okay.
Shift system.
Now it doesn't appear to be that. And there's a need for some interrogation. Okay. So I agree with that.
It's when you na make an wedi di matem. Wedi di matemwa. But 24-hour economy no. Samija mfimu nchire mu ni say one job, 3 shift. Na fe mo kofa one job, 3 shift aba. Na trotro drivers nso say so mu load ye free eye. Yemfa ne say ayi Angunaga junction dia koso amia. Instead so mbe load straight no. Omu take inspiration from a 24-hour economy. It will be loaded from Angunaga junction we drew a year airport runabout no wagina. We loaded from airport runabout to drew crow from no wagina smin kobio. No asa loaded from crow from no de atoa so koso ame no anya 3. Musimunti bida mona mumma wo mode sa de ne buy. It's 133 transport economy. And no more running. So Angunaga junction to airport runabout. First fare. Airport runabout to Crowfroom, second fare. Crowfroom to Swami, third fare. Eti muna modiaba. It is a modi 133 aba. Na trotro drivers and say nei wamo enya yi eti nipa nyaka adentia 24-hour economy ne 133 shift no wamo driver for no so practice bi. And they say no so walk a year from Pokwasi to a year circular. Or better from Pokwasi to Fankora about first shift. Or from Fankora about no abesi a year beka second shift. And sana from Abeka to circle third shift. Most munti bida. 81 trade a very good policy. It munya driver for no musu nyebi. Man for ni nyaka a driver for ni nyehe. Dia mo muka sa mo beyeno. Ano mu di kan ayama mo 24-hour economy na dia muka asem mo beye ano mu eye amamo obia nya mfonso edise nipa no wo kɔ malamu a olodi free achemota eso otimi gina La Paz na mu nyina musi na wa load from La Paz to Sotrium na mu nyina musi Sotrium na watu aso akwa kodu eti 133. Nobody should come and do any 133 formula no anu mgusu a omoye no. We announcement ubufu a. Yen sori mfiri eho na yenni nkomo we so MCU4 Mampo Asante Mampo se Asante Mampo no muka se omo mpene ma Asanteni bi ameye MCU no ampeni ampa omo ama Asanteni bi anya MCU ho na afi yentie Mampo municipal se me no woka sei omo allocate 300,000 wo hwe ade ya mede atoso ya appendix already ade na mede atoso no a me no woka sei Mampo municipal no allocate 300,000 Ghana cedi so or they drill boreholes 3 mechanized boreholes they momo or ye boreholes for a year communities are or ye poor and needy ironically one no MC or yes our budget in you know borehole no ni fie also want to mean konko bunsu na man for nemre ade or the show also what the yama a the needy society no or no MC a allocation what two baako e woni fie instead say call the poor people no MCE's residents were two borehole no ho saa so no de ba akokọ MA block e de osakrum osakrum chips compound now question ye busan say the program is sustainable potable water distribution to a year undeserved communities underserved communities now underserved communities MC say no residency one year underserved community it was 100,000 be borehole ho frakadama ban MC Yowa Santimampong. What the 300,000 are the budget say what they kwakoye a year underserved communities sustainable potable water distribution to underserved communities. Now underserved communities or no residents was say a underserved communities is why back ho. Tienye. Now question ye busane say even usha a year prices of borehole the average borehole cost between 30,000 to a year 60,000. And then MC, overpriced borehole to 100,000 Ghana cedi. We are asking questions. MC, then wo raise borehole prices. Me two borehole ama agona. Mabua asaman for amoma yomu borehole awie. Mabua kona for amoma yomu borehole awie. My mama could two borehole ewo jamase. I have an idea how much borehole cost. Now Asante Mampong, a den ana wo borehole no me too agona de me sophisticated. Still it cost me about nearly 80,000 Ghana cedi. Jamase diane was around 50 to 60,000 Ghana cedi. A den a wonko borehole dear. So MC, we are asking you pertinent questions and you have to answer. You will answer. Thank you. Now, young trust, but before that. That's a moon, what yet is say, every years was a summit in Abia. Our mamma is in Abia. Snobio. Zambia, DJ. Zambia, Afutuo. Yesterday. Zambia, Bonia, Waya, Mamia, Bonia, Fonene. Zambia, what yet is a metia. Okay. Zambia, Bonia, Waya, Mamia, Bonia, Fonene. That's a memo. What did you say? All right, thank you very much. So, sticking with me a year for the record. So, now when Mr. P and Mr. X, you Majuma. Oh boy, Mr. P, Mr. X, be any baby. Mr. P, Mr. X, yani edi ensa P by ensa na ba ko your friend Mr. P. Your friend ba ko Mr. X. Eti ye nyina na edi ensa na P na ye biebiem. Eti say Mr. P, Mr. X, move on to so ma na me de to so. Sa na ye no. America de oba bedru ahanwa na ayo bibia wusi wo yire nioma wie sinkola ne nioma wie a no aba betena yi camera nim no wa ye ne saa na ye no Mr. P Mr. X bia ni babia ye nyina ye nsa ba ko ye Mr. P ye nsa left ne ye Mr. Y saa na ye no why ti monyi ntum saa now yentie owura Sam George yentie
Lastly, on the LGBT issues, I mean, if you get a nod, how far would you hope to push it? The president, your candidate, when he was interviewed on the BBC, he said he would now look into what is in that bill.
You know, that's a misconception has been put out. And I listened to that full BBC interview. President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill, and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from St. George until he signs that bill. And he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill.
Yes, I tell you.
Lastly, on the LGBT issues, I mean, if you get a nod, how far would you hope to push it? The president, your candidate, when he was interviewed on the BBC, he said he would now look into what is in that bill.
You know, that's a misconception has been put out. And I listened to that full BBC interview. President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill, and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from St. George until he signs that bill. And he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill.
As a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill. Then he pay chantra. Aya monshano. Both and the Kwanwuntini na yiyi. Monsha St. George bill. A Hong Kwan is a dear. Nana nimusia na way St. George way a year elder. Ewo a year Reverend Janasare asori. St. George elder. But we try to throw politics into here one minute home. The question we are asking today, St. George, you're too baby all of a sudden the energy and what they call LGBT, young penny, young colano, ye say, shum, energy nasa. Who doing all of us, or about what time? All of us, we thought that it was for a genuine cause, they were fighting for a year LGBTs and some, we didn't want a year. All of a sudden, you're too baby, fine. Now, Senka eye enunkuwa akanya ya naka yeda sori ya yesi efre bibi teacher manual ne yede teacher manual ne yese yede curriculum akoma eye a teacher for se omofa nkyira de no esi emma wo mo manual akwese wakoto TV how to set up so yede curriculum na bro. No part of the curriculum no SCM manual what the bachelor. So 2025 physical education and health a year elective teacher manual they my teacher for no. Ironically, the apostles of a year LGBT anti-LGBT campaign omwa bemu na you see say urefi ohua da bia bayam fonso. Yes, happen we ya na John Mahama. One Andrew Solomon koda ampaso. So if John Mahama on a second term, ekachiro se obeko etia galams LGBT. Were you really expecting that obe fighting against LGBT? Oh yeah, normal. John Mahama wotimi president wotimi ne bema koda ampaso president. O reduce your governance to that level say bema ene bema edampaso. When he was the president, on Andrew Solomon Kodam, and you actually thought that Sani Panosenya another opportunity or besaba. So Yanan Soria teacher manuano semuridi if it's very clear, teacher manuano. Omodi ashe a year asiye tienye. Teacher manuano say now there is a different definition, gender identity and internal experience. Tienye. Recognition of non-binary identities. Eti se yekase gender identity eye oba ne be ma no. Ene jomama ban mu. Teacher man wa ye dia ma eye enkola no so omu nkosua de no. Mo ready ba bia ya circle ne blue no a. Oso omu de omu nyintum, ma teacher fo ne nyintum se eye oba ne be ma ana ye the only gender. Munti asem yo. When we say gender there either male or female. Eti Church of Christ ni anka wa ban mu de and yamatan times we thought that we would not probably see some. Nemom yada sorry here. gender na ye define no, or say it refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender, which may or may not correspond with his sex assigned at birth. Ye de be kire ye mano and me mani niu. Ye de be kire ye nkola no. Ye say teacher for say first no, ye ka say gender nke ye male and female. Name apostles of anti-LGBT and they under their governance. Wamo say yenka say do gender, it refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender, which may or may not correspond with the sex assigned at birth. It can include being male, female, or a blend of both. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. John Mahama abmemuono the omode chire yemano. Or say this concept goes beyond the binary notion of gender, that is male and female, and recognizes the diversity of gender experience and expressions. These were not accidental inclusions. Haruna Idrusu and set up Naka. Don't forget, during Professor Jena no Poku Ajima time, and a UNESCO for issue, UNESCO for program be omoye so omoye. And what na sa gender and same way sha se baye. Now a babedru here, so MPP for na de it started with John Mahama under Professor Jena no Poku Ajima no ye vice president. And omusi ye ntumu say ye ka say eye gender, enye male and female bi. Nemo no eye male, female and any other description as nipa ni fili. Who authorized this definition? When authorized it? When authorized it, was it Parliament? Was Parliament informed? They say ye changing one idea. PTA, Parents and Teachers Association. Mama phone papa phone. Timunim see the idea where you share. Mo you say mo man say o mu besua say oye oba na mo fili say oye kwadwo oye be ma fili say oye kwadwo besia ampa gender. Afe yeti wo mo to e sha say so we have recalled Naka say we recall it. Now not only should Naka recall Nyomana, we are calling for Professor Samuel Ofori Bekwin, said President in Sakeno. If indeed the president does not support this nonsense of LGBT, then Professor Samuel Ofori Bekwin should be sacked. Other than that, apostles of a year, Ntrumu, and then Muamemuono, Ntrumu Muamemuona Mubu. Apostles of anti-intrumu and intrumu amemu ana womubu na yentie enchirimua Naka president no edibai.
Need that assistance to be able to implement the curriculum effectively. There's the need for those who develop the curriculum also to do a kind of a guide that will guide the teachers in how to go about implementing the curriculum. So this particular manual was developed for the physical education and health elective program for SHS Year 2. And although it was developed in 2024, they were releasing the manuals as and when the learners were ready to enter a particular year. So 2025 was the year for that 2025-2026 academic year was when the new the students who were doing the new program entered Year 2. So that was when the manual was released.
Yeah, that's it. It's Naka president to say, yeah, the 2024, it will buy in one shim, yaman oversight responsibility, Juma. Say, one woman, Yamran Chen Maba, Wamun Shuan Yoma Papa, which corresponds with a social cultural practices. Almost over the Debbie, he say, Ghana for, Aso for, when you are my dean. Sana Kufa to buy in the first year, second year, when you are my dean. A drew baby a moon say a yak or ditch, and I must say, be kind. na John die nso ye mu bi ye hunu nyoma no bebre ye ka asofo nyina ye din Reverend Ajenasade wa ye din ayi papa ya ne minim kakraka ya ote ayi Spinkters yi Danka Williams wa ye din ene ye kire ye ma no se ntrumu ye acceptable obi anka ho asem asofo obi anka ho asem e de dia na agigezi mu didi se tam eti asofo ni nyina ensemhunu nkomhye we na esemi nu obofo mo hya ase na mo ka bie mo ntimi nka bi ubegina wa na aye obi ade ne nsa be ka Mahama bia obi ade ne nsa be ka Mahama bia obofo we ni ade ahye ya ade mu si yenkola nkosua sese ye ni oba eni bema ye wo bema ana ye wode akola no afili eti edu ba bi na se ofasi ye twa ne tredu akora ma ne oba ye makwa ma ne nye bia so nkasa Biaso Nkasa, I was it, please try, Alasan Musa was it, please try and, okay, Dia Evans, please try and translate it into tree. Ninyana answer your mama says, ye begin to move, omo chrem kolano, and ye frebi be a year indoctrination, tienye. Now, subversion. If you want to destroy a society, you don't need to, the only thing you have to do is to miseducate a generation of that society. And that generation of that society will one day come and miseducate the rest. And that will be the end of the case. It makachira mo say, sa conscientization of yenkola, say omo suen trumu. It we the enti omo di ahyem ne say. And then menu mienu, the enti aye bon trumu so a, na ye ho eye tan eye hin say. Ye nyina ye ba no. We were taught to hate it. Tienye. Now broni ni munyansanti. Ono ma mekun sa dede na moye no ye hian so be change mo curriculum educational curriculum ode be fa eye etibon kosofo a yabo mo paase wo mo emu man na yesesa no na akola ye ko kire ne se o free na de ko akola wadi 12 wadi 13 ye free na de ko ye free bi gender emom gender ne enye male and female na emom no it recognizes diversity of gender it is a u fili kojo be se no so gender a time will come sa ankola ye o mu sua sa ade no omune ba be members of parliament omune ba be shemra sa bere ni duru oni ye ntrumu ade no ba beto a enye omo time because omusua ne ye kire wo mo so dede na amoye no Mahama aban e kire ye nkola ne se ntrumu nya hwe in the next 10 20 15 to 30 years there is no way as ankola ne be ye omo time eti sade ye ya omoma ye to ya bosum nyina gu ye no man fetuo ni ajan. It was just to indoctrinate you, subversion. They needed to miseducate you for a while. And one Nkasa be kofi na no maame ma beko. Eti bedu be nkola wo musua sanse mhunu wi. Omo be sori no maame no makose ntumu so ye de. If say up until 1960 year in Britain, now uye tumu ye chewa ye kum tienie ye do to jail. And I'm see ma akwa ma nkola ni suasua eye sa nneoma we nyina and Britain ntumu ye normal conversation with them. San yesu ya makwan mo de san nyomo ehihye ye curriculum mu e de kire nkola na de a ene obebusa so eye de enya hwe but omo de kire nkola na de a time will come that san nkola no ane ba benyini na omo nyina omo de ba be hyemra san nkola no ene ya makwan ma ubie eye movies a almost every movie Sam George ani tiri koto se jamu aboa every movie in Ghana se ne obehwe a wan nyakora benya 1 or 2 gay scenes wo ye nkola no so ye ne omo na ehwe ene cartoons nyina yenkola ne no mo na hwe cartoons nyina e gay scenes ahim enso Mahama so wo fight because on sign what the papa we di would you omudi at your own peril e dey make yi be say uje Mahama aban di at your own peril president otimi ene Andrew Solomon Okoda empaso such a demeaning posture of a certain president of a nation. Now, Otimini Bema Fufro Koda Pasumi Etwa and picture. Such a character and Mujidi se and Penyah was. It's just a matter of time. Give time, some time, and people will see it. Some George I know Fusa when a Manu Kunko to say a Lufthansa Babitu. Nya to me we once wa can get once a meal. Said they know si kwa up and down near so for yempene. Once nya to me we your minister once wa can get once a meal. Akionet aban me se munyina amani it will come ma worry ma me bia ha na yema bre na ngasa enyi ne ho adi wate na yan sori mfiri ho medical ka chem say aban no wonka no kore aban no Akionet aban na aban ne Akionet aban ti wode niema bebre esiesie mu yanko break ebe saba
Aya kwantra funa me Edi yes right Edi yes right Yes Edi Aya kwantra Nama bisna shege Oyo dima honare No, Mama is rose. Oyo gondra bona.
Medi Yesu achi. Sa. Ora Felix Ofosu Kwache e de nsam tuudwa enra. Ofrena accountability series of a year John Mahama amemuo. Now, accountability series in your see a busa question. So far, government no day. But young Koniani, Felix Ofosu Kwache, and Chichenko Monamu, and Nipa Wamua Bemu. They lack integrity, they lack a honesty, propaganda, a true and Nipano. So last year, a Arise Test Concert of Ofosu Kwache Salome man, also ye the Munye Jasania man. Huh? O friend Salome man sana idea me. Oh, where ya Jama Dome market for man ne a Makola Mami Kemu Enka. So why ye Salome, Nemo Mono, oh no betrana way, Jai. Fellows of Ofosu Kwache, Yentio.
More fun, and my DC is right behind me, so he's fully aware of this. Each district is required to construct 2 new chips compounds this year. Each district. So if you put that together, we are talking in excess of almost close to 600 chips compounds. That will be put up this year alone, or at least work on them will start this year. If we maintain the tempo, that should give us 2,000 chips compounds in the next 4 years, and this is a significant step towards improving healthcare services for the people of Ghana. Because even the Abokomano chips compound that I put out sometime in April last year to the Assembly's Common Fund, and my DC is right behind me, so he's fully aware of this. Each district is required to construct 2 new chips compounds this year. Each district. So if you put that together, we are talking in excess of almost close to 600 chips compounds. That will be put up this year alone, or at least work on them will start this year. If we maintain the tempo, that should give us over 2,000 chips compounds in the next 4 years, and this is a significant step towards improving healthcare services for the people of Ghana. Because even the Abokomano chips compound that I put out sometime in
Ora Felix Ofosu Kwache last year say Wamaka chere a year abino MCs and a district assembly for ne say obiansi 2 chips compound na ye ni ade na wadaroma lady we esa mo hwehwe ma me nim no me hu ne da, but the lady is very intelligent. Lady ni shia a year Felix Ofosu Kwache yentie.
June last year too, you indicated that government was going to construct at about 600 chip compounds. And I ask you directly because you made the comment or you made the promise. I want to find out from you if these 600 chip compounds you said were going to be constructed at the end of 2025 has been constructed, and when are they going to be operational?
The second bit is about the chips compound. Now, it is not my policy. I spoke about it, announced it.
You want to say, oh yeah, Papa go any monte. Oye papa kwani munte. They say they would Ghanaian free policy. No, it is not my policy. Felix, what the two just said chips compound mube sibi. Na mube si 2 per every a year district assembly. And wabani busa say chips compound be no per district assembly no ayet den e accountability e wahin yentie Felix yentie no.
But it is government policy.
June last year too, you indicated that government was going to construct at about 600 chip compounds. And I ask you directly because you made the comment or you made a promise. I want to find out from you if these 600 chip compounds you said were going to be constructed. Enough to mention that the previous government had about over 300 staff at the presidency. The previous government had about a.
Now, fellas, so for Sukwache, chips compound and ewahin. Oh, now, fellas, say rebrofo. And so when we say chips compound simply means ABC. Fellas, and yet chips compound simply means asem and yeka. Ye busa say. Chips compound ewahin. Oh, when we say chips compound, no didn't nam, no watre, no when Nkansah chips compound, ye wie baku si. Felix ofozu kwa change mianko. Na me ba be ka kire mo say aban ne ye kionet aban. Now yentie Felix and I know me de betu dwa say aban na appointed presidential staffers. Omuwo at the same rank as deputy ministers. It ye bo moka as though omu ye deputy ministers. Say me kura de minyane wrong. Now Felix ofozu kwa che ba responded to me yenti.
Somebody say that presidential staffers acted as deputy ministers. No, they are not. In terms of entitlements, they are equivalent to ministers, presidential staffers. So when you hear somebody referred to as a presidential staffer, in terms of entitlements, they don't function as ministers, but in terms of what they earn and their package that goes with their office, they are equivalent to ministers. Presidential aides are equivalent to deputy ministers in terms of their service conditions. And then there are political staff who are staff of these staffers and presidential. For example, if you go to the president's office, there's the president himself, there is the chief of staff, there's a secretary to the president, there's a legal counsel, and then there are other senior advisors. These advisors don't work alone. They also have staff that they work with. So if you put all of that together, there was a point that we had about 361 under President Akufo-Addo. I think about 41 staffers or so, who by virtue of that position would be entitled to the conditions of service of ministers.
Mom pay attention, say Edu Akufo-Addo the answer there. Or both figures are Akufo-Addo, apart from the ministers, 120 ministers, or both figures of a presidential staffers. Na lady way, I don't know who she is. I think the lady must be I see a bullet in Abaso. Or Momo ko bebre na musanya answer question bia. Now, Felix, yenti.
And deputy minister. So the 125 land cruisers would come with another 40 land cruisers and 40 saloon cars, 40 bungalows, or 40 sets of payments of rent allowance, 40 sets of payment of fuel for every week, and then all the other conditions that they are attached. So you do not really need a soothsayer to tell you how colossal the cost to government was to have that number of people. The fact and reality now is that we have fewer people in government now than we did under the previous administration. So significant savings have been made. That cannot be disputed. That must be placed on record.
Fewer people in government now than a Akufo-Addo. It should be easy to answer the question of how many presidential staffers anamuwo ananyasa. Yentie lady no yenti.
100 staff at the presidency. You were bold enough to mention that the previous government had about over 300 staff at the presidency. I want to know concrete figures. How many staff do we have here?
I can tell you for free
at the presidency
that the numbers here are far less.
You were bold enough to mention that the previous government had about over 300 staff at the presidency. I want to know concrete figures. How many staff do we have here?
I can tell you for free
at the presidency
that the numbers here are far less. Indeed, we are required by law this quarter, I think by March or so, to present the list to Parliament. So you will see. I think that the numbers are being compiled, but I know for a fact that it is far less than what we inherited from the previous administration. Then when it goes, you see it. Yes.
Now,
thank you very much.
Okay, or say a far less. How many presidential staffers and a whole government spokesperson cannot tell us how many presidential staffers after 1 year in government? But a year to 1 year in government, a whole government spokesperson cannot tell the people of Ghana the number of people working at the presidency. How many presidential staffers do we have? Now, Osia Kufuado 120 ministers plus 300 presidential staffers. Meanwhile, in 2024, government compensations was about 63.6 billion. Tienye. And ye di ye ewo presidency. Sa time na Kufuado die no ewo soro. In 2025, aban na wose ne die no wo fom no. Sa aban koro no in 2025 e raise ko 76.6 billion. Tienye. Aban no. A ono felisofo ko achinya 72 million de tena ba bi ote no so wo de ye government communication. Eti Kufuado aban no so. Ye hu bi da. Eye large. In 2024, or the 63.6 billion. Jomama abaya ba, abaya sha, lean government, ministers near 60. Now, 76.6 billion ye allocated core presidency, so munkonkodi. In 2026, government has allocated 90.7 billion here, they kwa koma abaya na ushano. Abaya show, chenye, abaya also was saving. The question is say savings no ode ma ye ewo he. But when the entire ontimi enka enchira the number of presidential staffers because makacham say abaya no eye frakadam eye kionet abaya. Mon hwade. Abaya we e release makacham say omo sheda appointee eye ministers especially regional ministers aba kwada ne TikTok minister. Now, omo appointed regional ministers we here no. And omo person omo appointed deputy regional ministers. But when omo kokan deputy regional ministers a ye be kan aka eye ministers ho. Etiyam from omo eye deputy regional ministers. Demo ye be from omo eye regional coordinators. Tienye. Ye be from omo regional eye political coordinators. Now, regional political coordinators yen hwa de bi wa ha. Mohwade mo pay attention. Mohwade bua. Now, omo release our list we. Pay attention. List we Anthony Nupenu, Miami or your regional political coordinator to the regional minister for Greater Accra region. TNU. Now, surprisingly, omo sa list we ye no. Omo the Ashanti region thereby mienu. But omonfa Ashanti region the enemy enu nyina no enhye at the same place. Esa o ready a ubehunu ne ntem se omo eye frakadam. So ade na me de akere mo no. Monhwe eye last end ho. Ubonso omo akero okay. Ye ready top no. Isham oh sorry, let me come back. So we Isham Alasan. Second row, or your regional political coordinator to the regional minister for Ashanti region. Tienye. Now, we Isham Freewa. The next person, yanko the next list so. Yenyi the next list, never wait so. Now, next list in a share asiye ho. On say, omudi ni mienu nyina kwa boss at the same time, anka wu ready a. Ube wunu say Ashanti region kwa ya appointed. Now, Pfizer Dauda, ewo down ho, also a deputy regional political coordinator to the regional minister for Ashanti region. Now, them there aban way a killnet, no mu ya tro nipa bonifo aba intino. When him say Actually, Oma appointed miensa. Penyah Ntiakura said, no, Masa appointed by Kwaku. Nemo Omo appointed miensa no. Oma for Munina Diama. Eti, the Omudi card in the Dimbaye, a second rule. Second rule, no. Tienye, the Omudi card in the Dimbaye. Now, Oma omitted the name of this individual, who is my brother. Oma omitted the name of this individual. Oma Anfani Diama. In 2025, August 19th, Anna Dr. Frank Amwako, a TikTok minister, Ebeka Chira yese, Mr. Sylvester Japan, our first know you movie, I don't want our friend slide. Miami pa, Nyanche, Menino Dako, a 10 and Kanache, then times miracle films, Menino and Nebo. Sylvester Asar, I can say, Sylvester Japan. Yeah, appointing as deputy political coordinator for Ashanti region. And so I'm releasing a list no. Omo amfa Sylvester Asare dianship. When you dia, omo di leadership ombe hu say aye coordinators in the dos. That is the kind of entro governance aye dey mamo. Na mujidi. That is the kind of hypocritical governance being given to you, and you believe them. Omo appointed a year Sly as deputy regional political coordinator. Our muji pay equally as deputy ministers and ministers. Now Omo amfa onidi and shellist ni because Omo di ni shellist ni mo mubehunu. Eti jomama aban no eye atro aban. No kura ba akokura nim. But when I keep on telling you guys are not listening. Other than the sliding, they've omitted it from the list of coordinators. I don't know why omitted. Ashanti Regional Minister, and it's one August, and Ashanti Regional Minister Becca say, I appointed Sly as Deputy Regional Political Coordinator. Meanwhile, you have any can't list because you need one. After you ever say regional coordinators, no more four, and you believe such a government. Because our government no president you believe such a government because our government no president is Kambu red gold green. You believe such a government because that government ni okwa asori na okotena chiri we humble be so otemo adwene ase. Jomama temo mo adwene ase. When him said the theatrics ni amodeche amemu. When him said theatrics no amodeche amemu. Na omanya yetimi di obi ne yire no mienu asem yetimi bo paako omo ye nipa to a saa nipa yi eti frakadama ban no killnet ban no wonim dia mo etimi esu emu eti na da bia na John de aye humble John de make God say wa appointed yan sorry free way beka muntie na mwani Kwaku kom so se wani trikoto say ayi anyway yamfa entoso ne enko US aban but entia menya ne say actually there were regional coordinators, political coordinators there tienie. Etina, there were regional political coordinators mienu already. And once I appointed 3 akoka onu ohun so de kire mo. Oh. Ajay, kionet aban no mo hunu da frakadam aban. Bibie mo ni nso emie. Nanka Felix wadaroma presidential staffers near say yes and
I have to mention that the previous government had about over 300 staff at the presidency. I want to know concrete figures. How many staff do we have here?
I can tell you for free
at the
that the numbers here are far less. Indeed, we are required by law this quarter, I think by March or so, to present the list to Parliament. So you will see. I think that the numbers are being compounded, but I know for a fact that it is far less than what we inherited from the previous administration. Then when it goes, you see it. Yes. Thank you very much.
Felix, numbers no yes saying.
You were bold enough to mention that the previous government had about over 300 staff at the presidency. I want to know concrete figures. How many staff do we have here?
I can tell you for free
at the presidency
that the numbers here are far less. Indeed, we are required by law this quarter, I think by March or so, to present the list to Parliament. So you will see. I think that the numbers are being compiled, but I know for a fact that it is far less than what we inherited from the previous administration. Then when it goes, you will see it. Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. Felix is so on to me count the number of presidential staffers and machire mu dientia. Kwame. Kwamwachi yadom. O papa yi wofa. Material seno. Yes, me blow me a trumpet. I am one of the most intelligent people that will ever walk the face of this country called Earth. Na me ne manfo ne dilia mete manfo no adwenase. Eti mitimi yusu manfo no momo ankasa timi ye bibi no munim se mi yusu o mamomo ayade. So enra ana beto odwa se Trump administration no the ban ato immigrant visas so 75 countries including Ghana and Nigeria. And of course, me de to Facebook. Me anam churoi. Nyame obi anam churoi. Na me de to we na me sa editor na me de shame say World Cup no wahye. So in effect, in their quest to say they want to get at me, which I knew that's what they would do, they ended up propagating Wamuangasa ban na yedi ato Wamaban so. They ended up propagating Omuma ban ne kwachire ma manfo teaching say me angasa me to me page. Mwadwene no yenketin. Na nipa maba United States nyata mte Ghana o. Maba be sua immigration law this semester. Ma pass anya A- in immigration law. Professor Lulu Ferrante class. Ma pass anya A1. Minim what immigrant and non-immigrant visas are. Me de so World Cup no ahye me so mu dimirika omo se yenya ni amoa na omo ye no na afi omo angasa e magana fo otese ya bande womo angasa in their quest to some they will come at me no they ended up promoting say ya bande womo angasa mwadwene ye nketenkete edam nsa me didi agoro me too minim what family based immigrant visas are and a minim non-immigrant visas. Na me ba me tena Kwadwo so me de ayi body ahaban ne ba America ho. Ti ya bani wo mo. Was suspended. Okay, brofo bia apese na Okudjeto Ablakwa ana wo mo ye na dome market for man say. Yet ye baby Donald Trump meka ye. Die hu ya ni so Okudjeto Ablakwa. Donald Trump akọ Venezuela. Okọ Venezuela e wakwa pamu eye Maduro. Maduro. The way as Okudjeto akọ release letter. Okudjeto na asem we afa wo ho ben. Because the timing, foreign minister, a free Kwame Nkrumah pencil, your foreign policy are very the same. We neither face left, we neither face right. We face forward. Kwame Nkrumah foreign policy. We don't belong to the east, we don't belong to the west. We face forward. Ubedu America for say they do not have permanent friends, they have permanent interest. Etikamino kasei. America for ne Venezuela for your madia. Ane nyasa mumu ya tilted towards the easter. Anke fawu Okudjeto Ablakwa huben. Professor Meo Sidimo ni wansi du fiasem. Afeno Okudjeto ha twenu atwero mirror of justice nsemhunu. Nsemhunu no atwero. Ana do mi market for man se Okudjeto nkofa asem mreye. Kofa mreye. Afe, the simple thing is that America forcing a ban. There has been instances America for suspended a year visas our man for Ghana and Kahu. And yet Ghana nko ayi 75 countries no countries bi o ya inform anka ho mo African continent so ya inform anka ho. And nobody should come and tell me say Okuja Trasam no kokan no it has nothing to do with a year visa ni ade. It is say me no ka say immigrant visas no enyina akire say family based visas. It is a ukunu ana wo yire e wo America na ate Ghana no also wo file amaw sebra tienie na bra betena ne nchen a enei me no ka say sa enya adwuma ene wunya visa ya suspended. And then say who win American lottery, say American lottery no. Who win here and they won't me and konkonya visa if she are suspended. And ya America. And they could just say muno could die and he is suspended. Ya suspended more. And they because of a year suspension went say green card who apply for green card e Ghana. Visa bia based on green card say ukunu ana wo yire ana umpena ana obibi eti America no file amount unya o papa ma me wa ha unya e dey make yi and then ya suspend mu mesi unya uma ubetimi ama obuafu ubetimi enkosi hwe unya countries ni bi wo ho ya suspend wo mo. Nobody should come and tell us, and if I ne kwesi he, ne yesi, and I any investigate to omo. Your countries are investigate, ya investigate to omo. Get out. Ayanyanian Soraso. You let a bino, you know my we are. Moment said my win free. Me won say emre bi atwa mu na me ba USA half fro no obi betena ni show so na e be ma bomidi come to America bomidi from picture to ne bomidi bi oni ehwe. The person was just not relevant, but because he decided said we will no longer tell the people the kind of foolishness all you need to know when ya leeway bi a odi dim kwase asem saa. Some of them I will let it slide because man for no angasa adwene no. But what we would not allow, and it's such a character, ede empanimfo mabo bracha ne se, ene na busuafo nyina edin betwitwi ne nkwase asem a wo yenim. Now me wo ne sending me video bi efa Matela ho bola bed no se o ka ensem a enye no kure oye toro na oye toro no manfo na adwene mo hanti wo twa mo toro kura na the and my brother me chire mo ache manfo no also Stephen Ntim ya poison no na ya poison Stephen Ntim last year ni evidence no we ye sure so evidence ni evidence no we here. Was a letter Stephen Ntim family at Chorobaye. Now, Obeka letter na mo. Okay, I would have allowed because still are dunderheads, airheads are the ones who follow this motherfucker. Forgive me, I mean, so why do you need to partner with Yakwa when I said, why do you need Diagura? As Otimu said, I know Kofa President Kufuor Ebeshin. Even some President Kufuor Nkansah, knowing the man I knew, sir, the guy was just being a fool. Well, Jimmy, but I'm not paying far phone. I'm afraid President phone and Buza said, no, what to say? You didn't come out here, baby, and Buza said, there is a video going also where now I have his permission to state on record. Muntie video, no Muntie.
Tell Stephen Ntim the reason why Stephen Ntim issue no enkoye. Do you know, say? Mena woka Sunday, J.A. Kufuor, Yawapa Kufuor Nkwana stopping the family of Stephen Ntim from coming out. Do you know why? Muntie. Let me state on record. Me say me President Kufuor kasa ene anopa. So I have his permission. Say Jimmy Sam way akwase yi kano President Kufuor ni mu we. Enye
Jimmy Samuya Kwane Kano, President Kufo, Edin Nimu Babia, Onim Hori. Ura Stephen Intim, Yam Poison Babia. Stephen Intim Yare, because when yini, Anna a Hons and Samni are dear Mama Yari Bia Chenwo. Yam Poisons Chama Intim Babia. But Obe Chatra, Eso Kofam Penidi Betuchim. Jimmy Fossey, Yenti.
The NPP as a political party, they poisoned Stephen Intim. See, Yabapa Kufuor is the only person intervening.
Obwa.
The family of Stephen Intim, they want to.
Obwa, President Kufuor nim ni Jimmy Wohe. President Kufuor nim Jimmy Wohe.
Come out publicly and have a press conference and let the world know, say, Stephen Intim was poisoned at one of the events our MPP organized here. J.A. Kufuor is the one standing between this action by the family and the Esiro. Now, say any J.A. Kufuor and Stephen Intim family about out at a press conference. I'm a Ghana for you.
Stephen Intim family in Kohun President Kufuor baby, President Kufuor nim ho she. Mr. Stephen Intim yam poison Stephen Intim yare no kre. No yari or yari any bema yari. No poison anywhere. Chairman Intim yare before he means here 2020 a year election. Yam poison baby. Now Bola Bedi eba bechiremu dientia. Ya poison one for evidence fufuro bi amo. O say letter Stephen Intim family. Edibe two gan wo be kind letter no. But it baffles my mind how somebody could read such a letter and put that kind of interpretation on it, and the people believe such buffoonery, such foolishness. I don't get it. After yenti the letter corona oba can yenti.
Say Stephen Intim was poisoned. That is the reason why Stephen Intim resigning as the head of the NPP, as the national chairman. The party wrote that long statement. They were sending a message to the party, say, you people, you have poisoned our son. You have poisoned here this year. So I'll go back now, Nkansah letter now, family ni release here now. They were saying something to the party. J.A. Kufuor and I stop it, Stephen Intim family from coming out. And say, me boy, moi we interview president and Ochamko Busa Kufuor. Me papa, Kowe Kamenka.
Osi Yenko Busa President Kufuor me say, and on all the gods in Ghana that I believe in, any de mu nyina mujidi, ensu atwe enwa hia nyina me se anopai, me de President Kufuor adi nkomo. President Kufuor si Jimmy Semwe wonim ho hwe. Wonim ho hwe. Plain stupidity. Wajimi, we ya no hwe akola wajimi dia. We ya no hwe a wajimi. Wonim ho hwe. Na edi enti ni ya poison no a oberedi letter ni enti.
I know, say, I know, but I have to say it because Opatino, Omudin Kwasi Asemdodo, the NPP poisons.
Yanko read the letter corona or beka yenti. Kuanim ni read the letter corona. Okay, so letter now or say
you poison Stephen Intim.
You read the letter.
Stephen Intim Abusa for releasing letter no. In fact, let me minimize it and read the caption that was shown. Mokai, Intim family. Letter nini Mokai sa letter we. Data omutre na 16th of June 2025. And I'm releasing sa letter we.
Na atade be nkola pajamas bi e hye no a wode to a wodi o twatro e kire mpani. Jimmy bola bed. Hwe nkola pajamas bi e hye no a wodi twatro e to mpanimfo so.
Yeah. Now, Shade, I'm ready, baby. I am ready. Thank you very much, team, for bringing this in.
Team Biani, baby. Team Biani, one didn't say.
As some night, we should have wanted letter him. These are fucking dangerous people. Now, see, although not official, it is well known that Mr. Intim is not well at the moment, and his condition requires time off from active professional activities in the interest of medical attention and monitoring for the time being. Almost say, munim. As some bushafon let him say, minim say, yes, Stephen Tim the home fan. The party knew from the past that the says Stephen Tim, you're poison.
Okay, so how do you read a letter which states that although it is not official, but it is well known that Chairman Stephen Tim is not feeling well, and you put a meaning to it that you say, oh, yenyam fan to just Chairman Tim yare, name me sure say nipa bebre no anim say Chairman Tim yare, and a character like this could sit down and deceive the following. Say that presupposes that Stephen Tim has been poisoned. How does that statement in a letter presupposes being poisoned? Such a daft character, such a crazy ass character. Letter, Stephen Tim, although it is not public knowledge, but it is well known that Chairman Stephen Tim is not feeling well. And to his understanding, that statement announced, what kind of human being is this? What human being is this? What Jimmy Kwenti brofo kakra onti ase? Senti, yanto aswenti.
And I can say, Cecia no munyina munim no. Jare na abeto so ne nyina nim se ebe hia se ebe ne kakra. Na ya so ne yare na no. Because munyina munim de okom ebusuafo ne letter nie. Where 2025 me they all come back. Now I'm sure why the MPP is a foolish political party.
The evidence in your letter you. Yes, what the crata benyina and the evidence in the letter in ye.
Now, my mention Stephen Tim, the reason why Stephen Tim issue no enquire time off from active professional activities in the interest of medical attention and monitoring for the time being. Almost say, munyina munim. Asame busuafo no chom letter no say, minim se anim se munyina munim say, ayes Stephen Tim the home fan no. The party knew from the past that the says Stephen Tim ya poison no. And I can say, Cecia no munyina munim no. Jare na abeto so ne nyina nim say ebe hia se ebe ne kakra.
So why in the letter?
Na ya so ne yare na no. Because where in
the letter is it stated that Stephen Tim was poisoned? You read a letter, the words are very clear, unambiguous. The words in the letter does not need any explanation, but you in your daft mind tends to put another interpretation on the letter to now say that Stephen Tim abusuafo say you're poisoned. And you get the likes of a young money Kwaku Komsemo, Eje Kwasia Sedi. How do people who reason believe in this guy? How? I thought that I get baffled. How people actually believe such a fool? I don't get it. Your true letter, the words are clear. Stephen Tim Yari, although Yenyanya in the public. But munyina munim say Chairman Tim yare, Chairman Tim yare no, obey take time off, and it is only normal. It is only humane. It says obi yare. Sabi ahim fokura yes is yesua yare. It is obi yare. Obey take some time off. No dia kwako he no yare. How then do you put an interpretation on a letter that says that Stephen Tim yare or kosan ho yare? It obey take some time off to say that you are poisoning Stephen Tim. And he gets people to follow such a character. If only these people knew what this fool has been doing.
Where 2025, may they all come back. Now I'm sure why the MPP is a foolish political party.
The poisons to be in Timuna, President Kufoni Mubino. The evidence in India knew. Nipa mo jinedi. And when you're about President Kufoni I won't care because MPP now are serious. And you're about President Kufoni I probably wouldn't have even responded. But more mutien munyo sumo agwene kakre. More mutien no. Eti munyo su agwene no kakra. Obi akan letter. Letter no eye na watimi adada mo say let away chere say your poison will be and what do you do with that question? Adwene bend the mutrim. Adwene bend the mutrim. Okay, so Issa said, you Okatakyie, where is your evidence in exposing KT because you have not recorded your conversation with President Kufuor? Okay, so let's even assume I did not even speak to President Kufuor. Let's for a second pretend that I have not even spoken to him. I am asking you, Umar, I'm asking you. Enti so obi ye ade no wo kan sa lete we kirewa wadwene eye adwuma sei mo so mo ha adwene wo mo timi nyusu adwene but you see enye me yasa and I know miracle films ka asem bi kire me and sa asem na abaye the guiding principle amede mu yase I say ya na ye wa adwene se de utimi dwene easily no saa na obia timi dwene bo ho ana adwene ne efiri ha ekosi wo yi na asi ti ye nya omo ho abotre. I'm not surprised that we get the likes of Kwaku and Umar and they believe such foolishness from a guy. What kind letter no intro him or see a poison no. I see. Said the basin tell shas you know. And the basin tell a philosopher. We enche oba be philosopher what? Enche oba be philosopher. Said obi dwa no na obi a kan asem bia na de obi a no a kan asem mo problem bia to no bia. Meti ahwi ni problem bia ni bia. Ewo no medisi no PK Sapon wone eye utim ema eye ma me akosua sewa adey and I ask adey because say that lumba ewu ko ne krechi na upese upraise ma me akosua sewa. Must you do it at the expense of lumba noa na brabo bebo yana? Adey. Obie ni wa oye die hard lumba fan papa. Only buo ema akosua sewa. Even if we did not know her in person. And let me state that mene mami akosua sewa akasa. Oba bedru Ghana. Mene mami akosua sewa na papa shi nyina akasa. I don't support any of the two camps. And say whether Odobruni ne campo, whether Akosua say I don't support any of the two. But Mami Akosua say wa mo campo na ase mo yama. And you be a time. Enwa PK Sapon me nua be ka say ana enya Akosua say wa akadad lumba we nya hit. When you do that, you are disrespecting the hard work of the man. And I do the siomu what na si atworo nyuma ya asam gedwa. Se meti ya na do the siomu ba na masoka ne na mesua de na oche na meyire ti ba bia. Okay, wo boa under no circumstance will anybody dispute the fact that Mami Akosua Sewa has been an integral part of Daddy Lumba's life. Why are there? No two ways about it. But moka mane robeshes as that lumba ye kwasi ampeni bi na nya Akosua Sewa. Tia be no. Tia Akosua Sewa na tworo nyoma that lumba. Ensem afiri ni tiri mu ka Akosua Sewa na de ma no ana de be ya. Ade na mo yesa. Ade. Ya betimi aboma mi Akosua Sewa ba so. Why ade? Nobody will disrespect her. But when woman yes as in the quest to some be praise Mami Akosua Sewa no. It is more denigrate papa no achievement. Eti sebi Mami Akosua Sewa ye mo na baso why ade she is done well. One developing lumba, one building lumba. Name lumba na one building ye what die ya na do the shum e tworo nyom over 30 years or ye kwase ampani. Their narrative no. Their narrative no. Munya isa ni man. Enye fe. What it? Munyai. Many papa she kasa me catch papa she pain. Say nti wo nua pa na ewu na wo ye enti je wo ye enti efe. Ha? Enye fe. Eye japade ho asem a obia ne obetimi atena Ghana ho se. Dad lumba japade wo beche no o ma kosu ase wa bi. Ede enti na ese basa. Ede enti. Enti me masa ye nyina eti ya it cannot happen. Anim guasia no amu analumba na nye wanhia kosu ase okay wanhia kosu ase wa anko ba foforo bi beye Teresa ye bi dwaben wo wi wokọ okoto akosu ase wa ye ne de o play ni ro wawu lumba wokọ ayi odobro ni be so mo no so play ni ro pa obi aye bi it is not an either or situation enye either here or there. Adebe no mumu nyanse na mehwa papa shi ya hwa papa shi ya na mabusa mo se timiti wiase me namfo no mbe pa na se wo china mawu a umbedi nkwase asem ya papa shi ya di agumanu ase mehwa mu a mehu se Kofi Kwaku se Denis Ajejumo se Kwaku osu se chiro se Alex Kwaku Boatin se mehu di obedi nkwase asem se de mehwa mu a mehu mentiase meya no ana na nanu mo ka kyerem se na nei na wuhunu bi na ro afisa one nkwasiafo nso adi agoropen one nkwasiafo adi agoropen omo wo picture enti bia make say nei for the past 15 years one say nipa no kura ni agoro because one say bia na adwene mu no enti wo mpa na godie bio na mo oni ni di agoro mi bi emire bi atwa mu no one watwa picture wo kyena say BBC na say nipa nipa me na menim no Onya kaso won anim no de picture ne kire obi abeka say I make sense go bia no abrabo boy latter part of it that person was not there eti me ka kire mu nkwase afo amene di agoro a wo me picture wo kire ye wu ade baba be kire abedidi abeye de papa shi eye no fa picture ne bra ne bagiska me pe nkwase asem e wonim se wo kire wo ya was I'm fighting for truth be of what good is the truth if it does not bring peace? No krekano se emfa sumdue mamu obi ahonto no a no krekano a wo se wo kan wan no kore akosu ase wade odobro ni dia na lumba de no andi akosu obi a wo ayi andi akosu mi bu no papa obi antimi mfa enanimu nyefo enye no kore ba wonye bonia ye ni wo bitimi ne papa won suta donwa otimi edanase emire bi atwa wo bitimi ye lumba papa wa kura bi ase 30 years later obedanase to onye bonia ye ni ti anti akosu a onema a wo ye nyina ye no kore wa ya ade ye nyina ye ta na chi odobro ni so be ye bi mo se da bi either or situation adai na papa shi wo tu wiase na wonim nyansa wonua no on de kofa mai mienu nyina bai e ma no yeso de ba ko hye tokuru mo hui ti ede ba no ede ga ka me se wo a onim se me no wadi agoropen a me wu a wo me picture aba be din kwase asem sei fa bra beje picture beje ska me pen kwase asem wonim se na abaye machi na ntimi nkura machi e make sure ye father mfo so be katewa de jaso ntimi nkatema de jaso na asise na abaye dia fa bra beje fa picture kura na me won fa beje because and maybe 15-20 years in me who maybe 10 years in me who fancy the best she next week
Samamunia waya bambinga kunya ya fuaneme na samamu lagete seya kachaka se Eradi swasi samiti
I Precisely so. Tell them, pound for pound, oh welcome to the United States, Nana Pia. For the records, for the people, precisely so. Tell them who speaks the truth, for the records, who fights for Ghana, for the people. For the records is where truth is fired like a straight shot, not left, not right.